So this is the Vice Link precision screwdriver set, 45 in 1. This is the pink version. Look at this thing. This is really cool. First off, it's great because you have, you know, a little spot to hang this on if you need to hang this on your wall, just making it a lot more simple in your garage space or wherever you want to put this. And you're going to open this thing here. There's a little open button. You can see they're kind of all laying diagonal to fit in the case, but as soon as you press the open button, they all kind of pop up and stand at attention there. So this is really nice. You have a bunch of different screw heads and precision screw heads, all the way from like the little star ones to Allen keys to flathead to Phillips head. I mean, everything you need. If like, you know, for little glasses you need to tighten or something like that, or anything that's really, really small, this is going to be great for you. So you can see you have all of them right there. They tell you which gauge they are. So if you wanted to see which gauge you're looking for, that's right there. And here is the handle for your screwdriver. Very nice and comfortable to hold. So you can take like a little flathead I'm using right there. Very quality made bits. You need to pop it in, and then you can use it to unscrew things or screw things in, just like that. Very simple, pops right back into place. Now they also include an extension, so if what you're trying to screw in is a lot further up, you can use the extender there, and that way you can grab the bit, put it on the end here, and you can go through like a long, you know, if there's like a long tunnel area that you need to screw into, this is going to be great for that. Everything has its own place, but they also give you little precision tweezers. So these things are tiny. So if you really need to grab something, like if you're really working on some small gear, something that you can use to grab, you know, that tiny little thing out of what you're doing. So very, very clever, quality made all around. Really nice to have something like this, because you never know when you're going to need it, especially if you're doing a lot of things like this. It's great, and I love how it all holds into place. So these things are not coming out when it's closed. Really cool hot pink color, and yeah, highly recommend it. And thanks for watching.